Hello everyone. So in this video we will see a question on economic order quantity. So one of my students shared a text pack question actually from our study material, CMA Inter study material, which is quite interesting, and it is a bit of a tricky question that is not kind of attempted in the illustrations in your text pack questions. So we will see what data has been given. You have been given the data of annual demand, unit price, ordering cost. Storage cost is 2% per annum. Interest rate is 10% per annum and lead time is 15 days. So you're asked to calculate EOQ and annual inventory cost. So what is the formula to calculate EOQ, economic order quantity, is square root of 2 into demand into ordering cost by carrying cost. So in this case, it is 2 into demand, which is 4,800. Ordering cost is 4 rupees, and then comes your carrying cost. Now, what is the carrying cost here? You are given that the carrying cost is 2%, storage cost is 2%, and interest rate is 10%. What is carrying cost? Carrying cost is the total cost that is incurred by procuring an X quantity of raw material. Okay, so it includes your storage cost, it includes the interest, it includes the risk of holding that particular inventory. So if you are holding an inventory of 1,000 units, you might have to incur an insurance. If it is 2,000 units, then the insurance might be different. The volume of insurance, the amount of insurance premium that you are paying will be different. So carrying cost essentially means the total cost that you have to incur because of storing this quantity of raw material. So why is interest rate a part of carrying cost? Interest rate is like a notional cost. It is not actually incurred. It might not be actually incurred, but if I am going to buy a X quantity of raw material today, okay, so that much amount of money is getting locked up as inventory. So today, if I am not buying that X quantity, then I could rather invest in my bank where I will earn a interest of 10% per annum. So it is like an opportunity cost. Okay, by storing inventory, by buying inventory, I am losing out on my interest. So it is like an opportunity cost or a notional cost. So carrying cost includes your storage cost, the risk pertaining to inventory holding, and also the capital cost that is incurred by procuring this inventory. So here the carrying cost will be 10 plus 2, 12 percentage of the unit price will be the carrying cost. 12 percentage of 2.4. Once you get the carrying cost and the ordering cost, then calculating EOQ is very easy. It is just using the formula. Okay, once you do this, you get 365 units. So this 365 units is the EOQ or the economic order quantity. So first part of the question is completed. So here the main area where you might go wrong is with the carrying cost. We might just take the storage cost to be the carrying cost, which is 2% of 2.4. Here it is wrong because there is an opportunity cost involved, and because of which an interest at 10% is given. So my carrying cost is actually 12%. Then calculating the annual inventory cost. What is the annual inventory cost? Annual inventory cost, or the total cost, is the purchase cost plus ordering cost plus the holding cost or the storage cost. Okay, here we are not using carrying cost. We are using the storage cost or the holding cost. Okay, so my material cost is 4,800 into 2.4, which is the price per unit. Ordering cost, how many orders I will have to make if I'm going by EOQ, 365, then 4,800 units I need in a year by 365 gives me 13.15. So I can just round it off to 13 orders. So for 13 orders, 4 rupee per order. So my ordering cost is 13 into 4. So I got my material cost, I got my ordering cost. Now, storage cost. Okay, storage cost, we will calculate it based on the average inventory, right? Because storage happens throughout the year. So I need to take only the average inventory. So my average inventory is 4,800 by 2. So my storage cost will be calculated on my average inventory into, what is the rate now? It is not 0.288. 0.288 is the carrying cost, which is storage plus interest. Now, when I am calculating my annual inventory cost, I need to take only my ordering cost and my holding cost or the storage cost, which is 2%. So it is 2.4 into 2%, which is 0.048. Now, there is one more thing that is given in the question. Lead time is 15 days. Lead time meaning if I am making an order today, it takes 15 days for that raw material to get delivered. Okay. So this storage cost, I am taking 4,800 by 2, which is the average inventory. For average inventory, I am taking the cost to be, holding cost to be 0.048 by 2. Why by 2? Because it takes 15 days of lead time, 15 days for the inventory to come to me. So it is like, so in 12 months, only 6 months inventory is being held. So when only 6 months the inventory is being stored, I need to calculate my storage cost or the holding cost also in half. So it is 0.048 by 2. Average inventory into my holding cost divided by the lead time. Okay. Into 6 by 12. That will also give you the same answer. So adding all these three, we get 11,629. That is my total cost. So I hope the question as well as the answer is clear. So if you have a lead time given in your question and you are asked to calculate the annual inventory cost and EOQ, this is how you have to approach that question. Thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe to my channel for more such insightful videos on various concepts in finance, accounts and costing. Thank you.